Aloha everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hiram. If you don't know who I am, my name is Hiram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. So, teenage acne. She's a bitch. Not that bitch. A bitch. Oh, to the days where it looked like someone had pasted red Skittles all over my face. I don't miss it at all. Not one bit. At one point, I really did struggle with acne. I swear, my forehead looked like a red blinking landing strip. But I've managed to find some things that help with acne, breakouts, pimples, anything that you may be struggling with. And I want to let you guys know because I don't want anyone out there to be struggling with the same thing that I had to go through. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about teen acne and what you, yes you, laying there with your double chin, should not be doing. Here's the thing when it comes to skincare. You will see 1,001 TikToks, tweets, or videos talking about how you can get rid of acne. And everyone has a different solution, but they're all wrong. No, I'm kidding. I mean, some of them I think are wrong. In my opinion, there are a lot of recommendations out there that are really going to harm your skin instead of helping it. And the problem is that a lot of times these recommendations that people make to help your acne inevitably just end up making you break out more and having more skin issues without you even realizing it. And I can't even understand how difficult it probably is for you. I'm sure you are sick and tired of watching all these videos, looking at all these posts, all these TikToks about how you can get rid of acne on your face and none of them end up working. And that's not to say that my recommendations are perfect, but there are some things that I've seen said out there that I'm just like, oh, no. Please don't tell people that. That's only going to make them have more breakouts. And here's the thing, just because it worked for one person does not mean it worked for everyone. And my goal is to get each of you acne free. So I wanted to go over a bunch of things that I've seen as common remedies, if you can call them that, to acne that you should not be doing. Also, quick tip, if you want to see recommendations of what products I recommend or different things about how to control acne, you can also follow me on TikTok. I do short videos talking about the best products, the best strategies, doing reaction videos to common acne tips and tricks. It's at Skincare by Hiram, and we just hit 500,000. Woo! Thank you guys. Also, I'm going to be doing more videos about teenage skincare, what you can do, what products to look for, all that jazz. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you subscribe because I see all of you guys on my comment section and my TikTok and I want to make sure my babies are taken care of. I love you guys. So let's just jump into it. Number 1, do not, under any circumstance, do DIY skincare. Don't even think about it, bitch. DIY skincare is the very last thing that you should resort to. And I'm talking like if the world's a minefield, not even quarantine would make me do DIY skincare. The reason why I don't like DIY skincare is because with skincare products, these products are developed by chemists and scientists, people that have been researching and experts in the industry for years and creating the best formula they can at all the right percentages. When you make a skincare product on your own using whatever in your kitchen or whatever in your fridge, first of all, those things are not necessarily formulated to be used on the face. Second of all, you don't know what percentages or how to measure those percentages so that you're helping and not hurting your skin when you actually make it. And third of all, most of the things you would be using, if it's like a strawberry or orange or something like that, once it actually goes into the DIY formula, it's likely going to be ineffective because it's not made to withstand air or light. And fourth, the concentrations that you're getting of the beneficial aspects are so low compared to skincare products where they've been specially formulated to be really effective. So yeah, even though you see the very aesthetic TikToks or the tweets talking about how you can make your own skincare at home, I would say more times than not, this is going to aggravate and irritate your skin even more than if you were to not touch it. So just avoid it altogether. Number 2, and if you've watched my videos, this will come as no surprise, avoid scrubs and fragrance. The reason people use scrubs is to exfoliate your skin, and exfoliating is the process of getting rid of all the dead skin cells on your face that can sometimes build up and seal in the skin, which causes you to break out. Exfoliation is great, but scrubs are way too harsh on the skin, and usually when we use them, especially daily, it's too much exfoliation for the skin and can actually make your acne and pimples worse. But when you use a scrub, you can actually over exfoliate your face, damage the healthy skin cells, make your acne and breakouts even worse, and cause redness and sensitivity, which is overall going to make your acne and pimples more visible. And I recommend avoiding products with fragrance because fragrance is something that is just added into products to make it smell nice. It doesn't do anything to actually help your skin. And when you have breakouts or acne, your skin is very sensitive. And a lot of people have allergic reactions to fragrance. So it's something that I recommend is best to avoid because you don't want anything causing reactions or sensitivity when you're trying to get a product that just helps your skin. Number 3, stop tanning. Just don't even tan and try to reduce your sun exposure as much as possible. When I was growing up, someone told me, I don't know who, the devil in disguise, they told me that one of the best ways to get rid of pimples and acne was to go out and tan in the sun because tanning will really help to just like shrivel up those pimples and make sure your skin is even and healthy. Do not, please, for the love of God, God, or for the love of me, anyone, do not do this. Sun exposure is the worst thing for our skin. You know, all the problems that people have with their skin, I mean, the reason skincare exists, all of those things are aggravated and made worse by the sun. The sun increases aging within the skin, it increases dryness, makes your pimples and acne worse, and of course, you can get skin cancer. And as far as going out into the sun to kind of like shrivel up those pimples, that's just a myth, not true whatsoever. The last thing you need to be doing is going into the sun because the skin's trying to repair itself and be healthy. And if you're pounding it with damaging sunlight, that's only going to make the repair process even slower. The skin can sometimes be a lot more sensitive than we think. And the last thing we need to be doing is making it harder for our skin to heal itself. And I know that some of you guys may play sports or go outside a lot. That's fine. Just make sure you use a sunscreen. And if you want to know what my sunscreen recommendations are, I will link the video in the description box below. I go through all the best ones, whether you have sensitive skin, dark skin, oily skin, dry skin. I cover it all there, but just try to avoid it where you can. And when you have to be in it, wear sunscreen. This is going to help so much with your pimples and your acne, and make sure that they heal way faster. Number 4, the best thing to do is have a simple 4-step skincare routine. A lot of times companies will try and sell you as many products as you can get to help with your acne. You'll use it for a few days or a week. You realize that it's not helping in any way, and you'll try to get more products, try more things, settle for DIY skincare, God forbid. And you'll only notice that your skin is getting worse and worse. When it comes to sensitive, acne-prone skin, your skin is really going through a lot of shit, and it needs a simple repairing skincare routine to get you back on track. The perfect skincare routine has 4 steps: cleansing, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Just sticking with those 4 products can make your skin so much better and make sure that you're not introducing your skin to so many different types of products or strategies that is only going to irritate it even more. If you want to learn more about those steps, I will link my Skincare 101 series down below. It talks all about cleansing, treatments, moisturizing, sunscreen, and teaches you how to do each of those as well as some of my favorite recommendations. 5. Whoever said you need to spend a lot of money on skincare to have good skin is a nasty liar. Do not trust them. You do not need to spend a lot of money or get a lot of products to have good skincare. A lot of my favorite products that I recommend on this channel are less than $15, sometimes $5, and work amazingly for taking care of the skin. While skincare is an investment, yes, I mean, obviously you have to do something to help your skin. You don't need to spend a lot of money to get it. And I get it. When I was a teenager, I did not have any moolah. No sir, I was a broke ass bitch.
I'm a broke ass bitch.
So please don't spend $50 to $100 on a single skincare product so that it can get you good skin. There are much better alternatives. Some of my favorites being the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Cleanser. This one's great. You can find it at pretty much every drugstore. It's good for sensitive skin, but the ingredient salicylic acid is really going to help because it exfoliates your skin by going deep into your pores and pushing out all the dirt, oil, and dead skin cells so that your skin can really heal itself. Or the Inkey Salicylic Acid Cleanser works really well, and you can find it at Sephora. Or if you want something like a toner, the Paula's Choice 2% BHA is magic in a bottle. I talk about this one all the time because this is the only product that physically made my pores look smaller. Like I woke up and I was like, what the fuck is this sorcery? Who cleaned up my face? Or for spot treatment, my favorite is the Clinique Acne Clearing Gel. It's a little bit expensive, but you use barely any, and it's the only one that I can rely on to really work. Like I showed you, there's a lot of options out there to help you get rid of acne, and you don't need to spend a lot of money on them. Number 6, stop using your same nasty ass pillowcase. Okay, that's gross. This honestly changed the game for me when I was a teenager. I remember my brother hearing from someone saying that you should switch out your pillowcase every night if you're struggling with pimples, and I was way too lazy to do it. Until one day I was like, okay, whatever, I'll just buy 7 pillowcases, I'll switch them out and see how this goes, and it changed my skin so much. It really helped clear up a lot of the acne that I was struggling with. The big juicy pimples, okay, the gross ones. It just really helped control my breakouts and made it a lot better of an environment for my skin. And while it's not the miracle step, like I definitely think you need a skincare routine, but it can be a great additional step to take to make sure that that's not causing your breakouts. And then number 7, stop making your breakouts or your acne make you feel like you are not beautiful, because you are. You are a boss ass bitch who's doing incredible things, okay? Your acne and your breakouts don't say anything about how cool of a person you are and how much you mean to your friends and family. Unless you're like me, who has no friends, but that's the side point. You are beautiful, your skin is beautiful, and don't you ever let yourself think that, or I will come directly to your room and slap you across your beautiful ass face and tell you to be kind to yourself. And those are all of my recommendations for things you should stop doing. What recommendations do you have? Have you previously struggled with acne in the past, or do you currently struggle with it and notice something that really helped your skin? I want to know about it. Let me know in the comment section down below. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and some of these tips may work for you, some of them may not, but my goal is to have at least one of these things help you a little bit in your skincare routine so that you can see some improvement. Be sure and subscribe to my second YouTube channel where it's focused on empowering you to make a positive difference in the world right now from your phone. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.